In this video, I'll be showing you how to see Google account password. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that. But for the sake of this, we're going to be using our iPhone password manager. So what we want to do is go ahead and swipe down on the top right of our screen, or just like in the middle, and type in passwords, like so. And then on the top, you're going to see the passwords application. Bear in mind, you have to be on at least iOS 18 or iOS 26 to have this. And then if you don't, just go to your app store and download the application. Just make sure it's by Apple. Then we want to go over to all. It's going to show all our saved passwords from different applications. Then just go ahead and find your Google account. It's going to obviously be under G. Go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to show your password right there. And that's literally it. You'll be good to go. It's hidden from me because I'm recording my screen and everything, but your one will be right there. You'll just have to click on it. It's going to ask for your Face ID or PIN again to view it, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.